Now we'll watch a product video about our software TMU Calculator. The video, which is about 15 minutes long, will let you take a look at the core functions and features and show you some examples of applications. That will be followed by some practical tasks that let you use our software for evaluation according to the MTM method. After that, we'd like to present our software to you in greater detail, based on 3 videos showing examples. Functionality, examples of applications, practical example. Creation of a new analysis. A clearly arranged user interface lets you enter all the necessary content, such as the title, the desired time system, your department and the area to be evaluated, so that you can then proceed with the analysis. You don't need to enter any MTM codes, MTM values, in order to evaluate production processes. The evaluation is performed using input keys, in this case symbol buttons. The selection criteria are represented in a plausible and illustrative manner. You can therefore arrive at the desired time value by making a few easy decisions. You can change the form of presentation and choose freely between symbols or text buttons at any time if it will help you to enter the parameters. In this case, bringing an object to the other hand is evaluated. Naturally, you could also select the desired time module directly from the data card. The result of your calculation will only be understandable to experienced MTM users and less clear to outsiders, in contrast to the symbol or text buttons. Our software will be perfectly clear to your production staff at all times. During evaluation, you always have the option of returning to the stored definitions of individual motion processes to check the accuracy of your choice. Content definitions tell you about the beginning, content and end of the selected basic motion. An overview of the input parameters lets you identify which factors influence a basic motion and help you with your analysis. Tips on using the time modules will guide you and answer any questions that may come up during the calculation. A summary of the rules of use allows you to check at any time that you are using the time modules properly. The data card, displayed behind each selection button, shows the possible coding variants for the basic motion. All the extra information makes the TMU Calculator a very training tool. If you break a rule of use during the analysis, a built-in rule checker will warn you before you confirm the input. Let's take a look at the background analysis of the standard operating procedures. Standard operating procedures contain summarized process modules for typical activities, such as screwing or packing activities, assembly of standard parts, etc. To remain transparent in each step of the process, you can view the individual motions that make up the standard value at any time. That will ensure that the steps of the process stay clear and easy to understand. Structure of an analysis. The lines of analysis contain the information about the MTM code, the module name, the TMU value and factors such as number and frequency. The result is the total TMU value. Several lines of analysis can be grouped into a paragraph. Paragraphs can be used to break down lengthy activities into subsections for the sake of clarity. All the lines and paragraphs of your analysis are freely editable. You can move them as you wish. Or delete them, or copy and paste them wherever you like. Import-export of an analysis. The TMU Calculator, which is compatible with time management programs such as Tycon or CAP, lets you import, export and email your MTM analysis. Of course, you can also generate a PDF file of the results of your evaluation and print it out directly from your tablet or send it by email. The photo function lets you view individual steps of the process to give a clear illustration of the activity to be evaluated. Our software has a keyboard with memory effect, which greatly simplifies data entry. A user-definable term list lets you store standard names of parts from SAP, for example, or use repetitive process descriptions. The TMU Calculator is available in different languages. That means you can use the software for possible project actions abroad without having to give up transparency, or learn basic MTM terms the fun way, in the language you've always been interested in.